asset of the society and community. It's a very important contribution to your country and to the community. As India is a rising power, the economy is booming, therefore need a lot of educated person, talented like you. And this is a very important to build your country into a very, it's celebrating our 60th anniversary night. Myself and your ambassador, Manila Ambassador, we have lined up so many projects to achieve. One already agreed by our two countries is enjoying the steward of a commemorative stand. And this has been agreed and decided and been approved. So it's going to be circumstantially announced in due time, the first day over of the commemorative stand. And we're going to have a street in Cebu City to be renamed as India Avenue. Cebu is my hometown. Already approved by the City Council, and this operation will be